Okay, so we're going to be writing numbers as products of prime factors. We know all these things. Product means multiplied. Prime, we've just done that as well, prime numbers. And then factor is a number that multiplies into it. So we want to write a number as a product of prime factors. We start by dividing the number by the smallest prime number that it will divide evenly into. Continue this until we get to 1. Reverse the process and write then in index form. So we can do that. This here, we're just going to write following products in index form, so that's okay. That's going to be then 3 squared times 5 squared times 7. That's all they want us to do there. What about this next one? Again, hopefully you find it straightforward enough. There's 3 of those, so that's 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 11 cubed. Calculate the value of the following. So we have, that's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. We're going to do this loads of different ways. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 then is going to give us 60. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 times 7. It's a bit of a tougher one to work out. But if we do 2 times 2 times 2, we get 8. We times that by 5, we would get 40. We times that by 7, we would get 280. And we times that by 7 again, and we would end up with 1960. Divisibility, so we're going to write these, write the following numbers in index form. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. You can do it by the dividing kind of all the way through, or you can do it by a factor tree method. So I'm going to do the factor tree method. We just need to find some numbers that multiply together to give 180. Hopefully you find that easy enough. 18 and 10. Neither of those are prime numbers, so we keep going by doing a circle around it. What do you want to do here? Let's go for 3 and 6. This one's prime, this one's not, so we keep going. That's 2, that's prime, and that's 3, that's prime. 2 and 5, again all of those are prime. So what do we have? Let's look at all the squares. We have 2, let's see this, so 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. That's what 188 was. And we have to write the following numbers in index form, so you can't see that either. So that's 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. Same then for 350. Again, an obvious one. What divides in? 35, not prime. 10, not prime. 5, which is prime, times 7, which is prime. 2, which is prime, times 5, which is prime. So that means 350 equals, only start with the smallest, 2 times 5 times 5 times 7, which gives us 2 times 5 squared